Computer application in pharmacy, practicals, experiment number 1, aim to study word processing package. Introduction. Word processing is an application program that allows you to create letters, reports, newsletters, tables, form letters, brochures, and web pages. Using this application program, you can add pictures, tables, charts to your documents. You can also check spelling and grammars. In this lesson, we will learn Word 2007, use its feature, tools and techniques. All professional documents will be discussed during this package only. Objective of experiment number 1 is, after going through this lesson, you would be able to define features of Word 2007, explain basic menu details of Word 2007, create, save and print new Word document, protect a Word document quickly and efficiently, manage Word files and printing. Main feature of word processing is you can create professional document fast using built-in custom templates. You will easily manage document using various features like ability to create table of contents, index and cross references. You can work on multiple documents simultaneously. With the help of mail merge, you can quickly create merge documents like mass mailing or mailing labels. Autocorrect and auto-format feature catch typographical errors automatically and allow you to use predefined shortcuts and typing patterns to quickly format your document. The print zoom facilities scale a document on different paper sizes and allow to print out multiple pages on a single sheet of paper. Then, the nested table feature support putting one table inside another table. You can export and save your document in PDF and XPS file format. So, feature of Word 2007. Word 2007 has useful features and tools introduced to produce professionally created document. Some of these features are discussed below. You can easily create, format, edit professional looking user document using set of easy to use tools provided by MS Word. It uses the MS Office Fluent User Interface concept. This interface uses a new component called ribbon to group the tools by task, within task by subtask and related commands that are used more frequently. The new user result oriented interface presents the tools to you in a more organized and efficient manner, which are easy to locate. Tabs are more task-oriented such as Home, Insert, layout. Within each tab, the related tab subtasks are grouped together. Related command button 1 are also grouped together to execute a command or a display command document. So, feature of Word 2007 provides a lot of pre-formatted template to produce documents, reports, etc. While using pre-formatted templates, you can select already available cover page, header and footer to give a document's professional look without spending much time in formatting new one. Then 2007 also provide feature for creating chart and diagram which include three-dimensional shapes, transparency, drop shadows and other efforts. This helps create highly professional documents with feasibility in representing data more efficiently and professionally. 2007 Digital Signature feature. You can ensure the authenticity, integrity and origin of the document. The same can be done either by adding an individual digital signature to a document or inserting a Microsoft signature line which capture a visible representation of signature along with digital signature. Similarly, before sharing document which is in a final form with other, you can use MS Word 2007 mark as final feature to protect the document from any changes. Mark as final command makes the document read only, making the typing, editing and proofing command disable. But just to remember, mark as final is a security feature as anyone can edit a document that is marked as final by turning off mark as final. MS Word 2007 also provide the feature and tools to export your document to either PDF or XPX file format. So, starting MS Word program. Word screen layout. The Word screen windows contain number of objectives such as tab, menu, shortcut command. So see this is the menu command, then tabs and this is the shortcut commands. This is the shortcut command. So see this diagram, that is first one is a task, then second command and then sub commands. Okay, first one is the taskbar, then command of then subtask. The word screen contains a number of objects such as tabs, menus, submenus, shortcut commands, etc. Will be described the word's default screen layout. So, menu is what? In you are familiar with the previous version of Word. When you begin to explore Word 2007, you will notice a significant change in the menu shortcut. Look and feel. The feature in 2007 display as various tabs as Home, Insert, Page, Layout, References. So see this is the menu bar. Menu bar in a Word document. Home, Insert, this page layout, references, mailings, reviews and views. This is called the menus in menu bar. Then next one is a shortcut menu. So cut, copy, paste, these are called some shortcuts menu. Okay, So these features allow you to access various word commands faster than using the options on the menu bar. When the menu is expanded, the shortcut menu is disabled with shortcut command option for each of the shortcut menu item. The option on this menu will vary depending on a subtask that was clicked and or selected. For example, the shortcut menu on the side produced by the selecting or expanding the border option, paragraphs, subtask of the Home tab. From the tab bar, the shortcut menu are helpful because they display only those options that can be applied on the item that was selected and therefore prevent searching through the many menu options. So, suppose I click on insert option or home option. Okay, save as option. So you can see so for a cut you can see that options menu shortcuts to the every options. That is, for a copy you can use Control C. For a paste you can use Control V option. So Control plus C is the shortcut menu for the copy option. Control plus V is the shortcut menu for the paste option. Then Control plus S is the shortcut menu for the save option. Okay, so like this you can have every menu have some shortcuts, so we can easily find out that. So searching problem is a prevent because of the shortcut menus. Then next feature is a toolbars. MS Word 2007 provide customized quick access toolbars to organize the tools available for easy and fast access of the commands. Many toolbars display shortcut buttons are also available to make editing and formatting quicker and easier. The toolbars are already displayed on the screen as checked. To add modify, simply click on the More Commands option, which will display the following menu: Customize selection of tool as per your requirement. So, toolbars. So this is the ribbon app option. Okay, this is the ribbon option. You can see this is the feature of MS Word, and this is called the toolbars. This is the menu bars. This is the picture bar or sub options. This is called the toolbars. Then rulers. This is the rulers. This is called the rulers in the MS Word. The rulers display horizontal and vertical scales that reflect that width and height of your typing area